हाय, विथ क्रिएट रिएक्ट ऐप तुमने बहुत सारी रिएक्ट प्रोजेक्ट बनाई होंगी, बट क्या उसके बिना भी हम प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस वीडियो। क्रिएट रिएक्ट ऐप हमारे लिए बेसिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और बॉयलर प्लेट कोड प्रोवाइड कर देता है। समझते हैं उसके बिना हम कैसे कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमें कुछ पैकेजेस चाहिए होंगे जो हमारे मेन डिपेंडेंसी होंगे, दैट इज मोस्टली रिएक्ट एंड रिएक्ट डॉम, और उसके साथ कुछ डेप डिपेंडेंसी होगा लाइक वेबपैक, बैबल एंड ऑल दिस थिंग। लेट्स इंस्टॉल दोज पैकेजेस फर्स्ट। So we'll first install by creating npm init. So once you install this, the next thing you need to do is create the folder structure. For that, we'll create two folders. One is source folder, src, and is public folder, like we have in create react project side. That structure will create it. Once you create that structure, we'll add two files there. One is index.js file, which will be our entry point there, and there we'll write some basic amount of code. Okay, we'll use react DOM to load, and we'll be using app.js. So let's add app.js also there, and there we'll be adding few code. Just a hello world should be enough. Okay, and once we have done with this components, let's create the configuration file now. For that, we'll create one webpack config.js, and here we'll copy paste from all this static code. I'll explain each code now. The first thing, if you see here, that is the entry point. Entry point is our index.js file, which we created earlier. The second thing is we are using Babel loader to compile all the TypeScript and JS6 to JS, and we have installed those packages earlier. And the third thing is we are loading our index.html file that we need to create here. So for that, we'll go to public folder, and there we'll create the index.html file. And this will have some basic HTML along with one script tag for bundle.js. Now we are all ready. One thing we are missing here, that is Babel RC, which is our conversion from ES6 syntax to JavaScript syntax. For that, we need to add two presets, and that will add it here. Now we are all set. Let's run this project now. To run this, we'll use webpack command, which is webpack sir. And once you run this, you can see this hello world application there running. This is how you build a project from